This model kit review is of the Mazda RX-8. This is the Type S Sports Edition. We've got some very nice box art here. Pictures of the car over there. This is by Fujimi. It's 1/24 scale, and doesn't really give us any dimensions there. Let's have a look inside and see what we've got. Okay, well, let's start here. We've got some tires. These are nice soft, still feel like maybe vinyl. Got some poly caps and then some mesh there. Here are the wheels that they go on, all the same size, and that's very nicely molded. I also like their particular finish. It's more like a satin finish with their chrome. We do have another chrome one here. This is more brighter chrome here. This is for our lights. Over here we've got our body. Let's have a look here. And that is beautifully molded. Got some nice crisp lines there, recessed panel lines. I don't see any mold lines. No flashing. That is beautifully molded. And over here we've got our bumpers. Looks like we've got our front bumper there with lights, and then there's our rear bumper. Got a little spoiler there as well. It's a little odd that we have this open section here, right over there, but we do have our cockpit here, or the cabin, with rear seats there, and then space for our seats there. We've got our windshield wipers. We've got some suspension parts there, part of our subframe. Here's our glass. We've got our front windshield and side glass there, beautifully molded, nice and transparent and clear, no distortion. We've got our lights. There's the headlights there, tail lights, and then there is our rear windshield, rear glass with the defroster. And the last sprue to look through here. This is our chassis here with looks like no engine anywhere. We've got two seats there. We've got our dashboard, steering wheel. There's our steering rack, our rear view mirror, our pedal box. We've got there's our wheel hubs with the brakes, and then we've got license plates, and then our headlights. All very nicely molded, and no major issues. We've got our decals there, nicely printed. And then let's go through our instructions. So these are the parts listings. Looks like a few of the parts we're not going to use. And then well, not a whole lot of English there. Those are the colors needed there. We'll have to look those up, H3, H8, see what those are. We've got our paint and decal guide here. These are the different icons and what they mean. And we're going to start off here with our wheels and mount that onto our axles and put that on the chassis. Same thing with the other side. I guess it's supposed to be metal bar. I'll have to look for that. Maybe that's in the tire section. I didn't see that. Then we move on to our dashboard here. put our seats together. That's going to require some painting, a bit of a pain. We mount that onto our chassis, then the glass in the body, our rear glass, rear bumper and lights. Shows you here the mesh to cut out. That's for the front. And we're working on the front bumper and all the extra little accessories there. And then our front headlights, and then mount that onto the car. So all in all, very well molded, but there isn't an engine, so this is a curbside model. Still, it should be a good build.